You know, I'm starting to realize I never really introduce myself when I do these videos. Hi guys, my name is Aisha, and welcome to my channel. Watch me watch K-pop. That was good, that was good. I swear there's a lot of phlegm in my throat. I think that's what it's called. And it just feels so weird having to keep clearing my throat. One of the greatest, and I mean greatest, in my opinion, he's one of the greatest performers of K-pop. Rain is back. I did not expect this at all. I say a lot of things are unexpected, but this was very unexpected. But I am so happy. You know, before I even got into K-pop, I saw Rain. It's an American movie. Ninja Assassin. Loved it. Didn't know who he was. I was just like, he's very sexy. He's attractive. He's cool. He's badass. I'm like, huh. And I think when I looked him up, because I wanted to know who was in the movie, it was like he's a Korean singer. I'm like, a Korean singer? And at some point after I had gotten into K-pop, I looked him up and I watched his music videos for crap. Is it Love Song? I can't remember, but I love it. It's on my MP3 player. I have Love Song, 30 Sexy. I think some other stuff on my MP3 player of his, because I just love his music. But he's back with the best present, so let's watch it, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Is it a ballad? That's a tight shirt. Yes! I've missed this. Ooh. I'm confused at how this is happening right now. I know it's light, but so it's not. Is this considered a ballad? I don't know. Okay. Yes. He is such a good dancer. Oh. We got some other dancers. I think one's a woman. And if it is, she is tearing it up over there. Michael Jackson. White. Oh, that's a man. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. I forget men rock ponytails too. He's tearing it up. Oh my god, it's like so attractive when a dude wears like a whole monochrome outfit. Like, all black is sexy, but when they switch to all white, y'all know what I'm saying. No way he did that. I'm so confused about what the genre is of this song. I think it's technically like a ballad. Where did I see this? Where did I see that? Oh, I might be thinking that GOT7 song when they be like that. Oh my god, look at that smile. Look at that smile. I'm gonna take a little trip down memory lane after this. The Best Present, and it's produced by Psy. Okay. Huh. My computer cut off on me, so my face is kind of dark now. But I don't really listen to like a lot of ballads. I have like when I stumble on them and they're good, I listen to them, but I haven't actually like listened to a lot of ballads. But this was like really good. It was kind of like really just chill. It sounds like, well, you know, not chill, kind of like it had a lot of emotions behind it. I have to look up the lyrics later. That was my reaction to Rain's The Best Present. You know the deal. Thumbs up, subscribe, whichever. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.